Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Modi inaugurates All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bilaspur in Himachal Pradesh. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh performs Shastra Puja at Oli Military Station in Uttarakhand on the occasion of Vijayadashmi. Vijayadashmi being celebrated across the country, President, Vice President and Prime Minister greet people on the occasion. And Durga Puja celebrations culminates in Meghalaya with the immersion of the idols of goddess Durga. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIIMS, Bilaspur in Himachal Pradesh. It has been established under the Central Sector Scheme Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana. Speaking on the occasion, he said the development projects inaugurated today on the occasion of Vijayadashmi 2022 will play an important role in achieving the vision of a developed India. He said today Bilaspur has got the double gift of education and medical facilities. It is constructed at the cost of more than 1,470 crore rupees, is a state-of-the-art hospital with 18 specialty and 17 super specialty departments, 18 modular operation theatres and 750 beds with 64 ICU beds.
भारत मेडिकल टूरिज्म को लेकर दुनिया का एक बहुत बड़ा आकर्षण केंद्र बन रहा है। जब देश और दुनिया के लोग हिंदुस्तान में मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आना चाहेंगे तो यहाँ का प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य इतना बढ़िया है कि वे यहाँ आएंगे। एक प्रकार के उनके लिए आरोग्य का लाभ भी होगा और पर्यटन का भी लाभ होने वाला है।
Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today stressed India believes in the principle that the whole world is one family but gives a befitting response if any outsider cast an evil eye. Singh said this while celebrating Vijayadashmi, performing Shastra Puja with the Jawans of Armed Forces and ITBP personnel at Oli Military Station in Chamoli, Uttarakhand. He said the whole world acknowledged India's growing stature and India has emerged as one of the key decision makers on all issues of international importance. Singh said India is heard with respect in international fora. He reaffirmed that the entire nation has pride and faith in the capabilities of Jawans and their contribution towards safeguarding the country.
यह पर्व ऐसा पर्व है जिस दिन शस्त्रों की पूजा होती है। दुनिया के किसी देश में शस्त्रों की पूजा नहीं होती, लेकिन भारत दुनिया का अकेला देश है जहां शास्त्रों की भी पूजा होती है और शस्त्रों की भी पूजा होती है। यह देश आपको भारत की जो सर्वोच्च निधियां हैं उनमें एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण निधि यदि किसी को मानता है तो हमारे भारत की सेना के जवानों को मानता है।
The festival of Vijayadashmi or Dussehra is being celebrated across the country today. It is celebrated to remember Lord Ram's victory over Ravana, marking the triumph of good over evil. The day also marks the culmination of Navratri and Durga Puja. President Draupadi Murmu and Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar have greeted the people on the occasion. In a message, Murmu said this festival is celebrated all over India as a symbol of victory of good over evil, truth over untruth, morality over immorality. In his message, Vice President said Dussehra not only symbolizes the victory of good over evil, but reinforces people's faith in dharma and righteousness. Prime Minister Modi has also extended his greetings to all the countrymen on this occasion. Durga Puja celebrations culminated in Meghalaya today with the immersion of the idols of goddess Durga in river Waumkra and in other rivers in different parts of the state during the auspicious day of Mahadashmi. Several cultural programs were also organized by the respective puja committees. The district administration had also made elaborate security arrangements. Devotees from different parts of the city marched towards Pole Immersion Ghat to immerse the idol of goddess Durga. Speaking to reporters, President of Central Puja Committee Naba Bhattacharjee said Durga Puja signifies the victory of good over evil, dispelling darkness with light. Let the blessing of Durga be with all people of the state. If there is peace, there is happiness all around. Meanwhile, in Jawai, members from the Sabar Janand came out today to take part in the immersion procession ceremony held at a part of Mintru River at Linter. The idols from Shiv Mandir complex were taken from their final journey to be immersed, which was done in Sindhu Ksiar.
So all the places have either full immersion or it's dip and lift. Immediately after dumping, you can see that barricade. The idols are not allowed to go. And as you know, idols are mostly made of mud, earth. We are not allowing artificial dyes. On top of that, within 24 hours, all these items will be removed and the Shillong Municipal Board will be taking it to the market.
Soil and Water Conservation Minister Hamletson Dorling virtually launched the laying of foundation stone for construction of Lumumba Government Lower Primary School and inauguration of various projects under soil and water conservation implemented at Lumumba, Upper Shillong at a program organized by the Dorbar Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, Dorling stated that as a resident of the village, it is his responsibility to provide the best amenities for the development of the village as a whole. He also expresses happiness with the newly constructed government LP school, which is functioning in a dilapidated manner in previous years. The minister also expressed his pleasure in inaugurating the various projects implemented by the Soil and Water Conservation Department and also handed over computers to Lumumba Government LP School.
Kapin kendet at kapin linggo yang ha.
Si buat tu pergi ke ya ke PNC dalam tak kena meliam melonji tu jangan bang semua. Dah aku buat dengan kamu. Jika ni ke report bang asli kan penhun ni pergi pada bang jom kami untuk si bang tipen Emily let you work something. Kan sepoi ke por kan sepelat kan pekrek kan dalam dia kena berkait sam sepoi bang baru kait. Tapi ni kam
At the 36th National Games, services continue to dominate medals tally with 86 medals, including 39 golds, 24 silvers and 23 bronze, followed by Haryana with 65 medals, including 24 gold, 22 silver and 19 bronze. Maharashtra is now on third place with 20 gold, 17 silver and 35 bronze. Uttar Pradesh is now on fourth place with 18 golds, 13 silver and 19 bronze medals. Indian sprinter Jyoti Yaraji made history in the women's 100-meter hurdles as she became the first Indian woman to run a sub-13 seconds time to win gold medal yesterday. National Games 2022 is currently being held across 6 cities in Gujarat and to be concluded in 12th of this month. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 24.7 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 16 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 78% and in the evening 82%, rainfall nil, forecast moderate rain is very likely to occur in many places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi inaugurates All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bilaspur in Himachal Pradesh. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh performs Shastra Puja at Oli Military Station in Uttarakhand on the occasion of Vijay Dashmi. Vijay Dashmi being celebrated across the country, President, Vice President, Prime Minister greet people on the occasion. And Durga Puja celebrations culminate in Meghalaya with the immersion of the idols of goddess Durga. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.